Alright, we got a package from one of our friends in Queensland. Let's do an unboxing. David Curry Mundy. Okay, let's see what's in it. Apparently there's some motherboards for us for spare parts. And maybe some repairs. Let's see. Acer N17H2. You keep for parts? Okay. Thank you. N17H2. What's the N17H2? Okay. Acer Spin 1 SP 1111 32N. Yes, definitely we can use for spare parts. Oh, what do you have on you? Oh, yeah. So this guy, one of the benefits of this motherboard to us, possibly. Okay, MOSFET, BQ715, yes, that's delicious. We don't know what that one does yet. MOSFET, 8 megabyte BIOS chip, MOSFET, that runs firmware for something. Power management for the RAM. Yeah, great, we can definitely utilize this motherboard, some of the components and the ports as well. And that's the port we can pull out and use it on another computer. It's a popular Acer one at the moment. And the USB ports and HDMI. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. That's that. Let's have a look. Okay. And then we have yeah, Lenovo piece of shit. Yeah, he called me about this earlier. Yeah, I saw one of the videos. I cried desperately trying to fix. Okay, yeah, probably tried reflowing it, I guess. Okay. Carbon X1. No problem. Yeah, we can see the... okay, maybe he reflowed that, I'm not sure. Okay, this one is definitely Derna parts. Derna kebab. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, Protege. Yeah, we can easily use that. We actually need that. Thank you very much. Yeah, some quality components here, which I can scrape up. I don't know that one yet. I don't know, that's a couple of MOSFETs. Rico, no, we're not interested. Audio chip. TPS, maybe that in the future. Okay, a lot of parts in here. Okay. Yeah, thank you very much, David. I can definitely make good part in use of many components here. Okay. $1466. That's a MacBook Air. Oh, I didn't check that one. UX. Okay. UX32VD. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, great. This will be great for parts. Nice. Well, this is gold for me. Thank you very much. What's working, then stop working. Okay. Yeah, this is fantastic. I can make a MacBook Air out of this. If it was working and stopped working, then probably something simple. No problem. We'll have a look at this. Out of curiosity, do we have any voltage? Okay. No problem. We'll have a look at that later. Looks like a refurbished or motherboard bought secondhand. One of the two, no problem. We'll fix this and actually definitely sell it. Okay. Okay. R50B, of course, everything on. No display. What do you expect? Okay, Toshiba. Everything on, no display. Okay. No problem. This one will have a nice 15-inch screen maybe attached to it. Lenovo i7. Okay. Okay. Ultrabook. So you forgot the password? Okay. I'll figure it out. Okay. Well, the reason why I put a password is to disable secure boot, my friend. Okay. No problem. Okay, so basically, no bootable device. Get it going. Reset the BIOS and see if you can boot from a hard drive or make it bootable from a hard drive. Disable secure boot. Okay, no problem. Alright, lastly, UX32V, okay. Okay. Warms up, that would be BQ chip. That's okay. Oh god. Okay, let's have a look. Hope you are keeping well. I've sent you another nightmare of mine. Okay, ASUS to history was doing 10-minute boot up. Google found there was a common problem with the ISSD card solder. Easy fix, remove ISD card, removed it without hot air station, did not come off very cleanly, will not boot at all. Being an i7-80C, ordered a new motherboard from AliExpress, put it in, still no boot, nothing. When I first got it, because it was booting, I also ordered a new battery, thinking the slow boot was something simple. So this one owes me a lot of money. Hopefully with your help I might break even. Okay. I have enclosed the original motherboard and some other motherboards hoping to offset the cost. Oh, I see. If you make a video, I could just say some guy in Queensland. Okay, no worries. Yes, some guy in Queensland. Yes, from Currimundi. Alright, Currimundi. You gotta send some curry, mate. Okay, or fish. Barramundi, Currimundi. Okay. Okay, so this one is bugging him, plus that's maybe the okay, so being scratched, this is the AliExpress one. Yeah, AliExpress, okay. Which is fine, I get motherboards from there too. That's alcohol, clean, okay. Alright, no problem. Let's see what we can do. If it doesn't boot, a replacement board doesn't boot, why? Then in that case, maybe something daughter board or one of these guys. Okay. No problemo. Alright. So we got a MacBook, which is we can keep, make money of that. We can maybe repair this guy. We got the donor board. And we got the Lenovo. Alright, David. Thank you for sending all these units. And thank you for the spare parts. I'll see what I can do. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.